Hey guys, and welcome to One Kitchen. I'm Julia. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make one of my favorite ice cream toppings, and that is going to be some caramelized oatmeal with some almonds and some hazelnuts. And when that is all cooled down, I'm going to mix in some delicious good quality milk chocolate chips. It's going to be so good and just so easy to make, so let's get started. So in the pan here on this stove top, I just have some oatmeal, some chopped up almonds and hazelnuts, lots of butter and lots of sugar. I'm just going to turn this here up, and now I'm just going to let the butter, sugar really melt into my oatmeal and nuts. So my butter is now melted in, and now I'm just waiting for it all to be nice and golden brown and caramelized. So this here is now looking good. The nuts are beginning to look nice and golden. So what I do now is just to remove it from the pan and just let it cool down on 2 plates. So I'm going to divide it into 2 just so it easier cools down, and just let it cool down for about 30 minutes or so. So I have the first half portion here, and it is cooled down completely. It actually cooled down for about an hour. And now I'm just going to add in lots and lots of good quality milk chocolate chips and just mix them right in there. You can also chop them up if you want a smaller piece of chocolate. And this here is now ready to be served over some delicious homemade vanilla ice cream. And now for the taste test together with some ice cream. Nice crunchy. Oh my god, yeah. It is just so easy to make, and I absolutely love it. And also remember, you can also use white chocolate or dark chocolate or a mix of them all. Yeah. The ingredients are down below if you want to give this here a go. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel here. And I hope to see you guys again tomorrow. Bye!